good, YouTube? It's your boy Vusimax coming at you live from the Supreme Traders HQ. I hope everybody's having a good Monday and we're ready to see more growth, more profits, and more everything basically because we're about that life, prosperity, and wealth to everybody watching this. All right, so this is an analysis video and it's not coming on a weekend, it's coming on a Monday because this past trading week we had so much fundamental stuff going on towards the end of the week, and usually when that happens I can safely expect to see gaps on the market when it opens. So there was a time to close your trades before the market closed so that you don't really you're not part of the we're not part of the your basically your trades don't take a hit should the market get up or down, which is what I did. And I waited for the market to open to make an analysis because I didn't want the analysis to be altered by the gaps or to be messed up. So I waited for the market to open and talk to me and show you guys what I see, and hopefully this helps. Right, so give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, because there's more content like this coming, guys. I want to see everybody's account grow. All right, you don't have to be a Supreme member. If you want to if you want to learn how to trade, Supreme is the best place to probably go to at the moment. And yeah, man, let's just grow. All right, so this is what I have for you guys. Right? It's gold. All right, so as you can see, we have this pair, not a pair, we have this gold is a commodity. We have this I like calling them pairs though, so pardon me. We have this pair in the H4 time frame, and if you can see what's happening basically from this region here to there, it's pretty much moving sideways, right? So I don't want you to pay attention to that. I want us to pay attention to the daily time frame, right? So the same thing we just described was happening here on the daily time frame. Gold was pretty much moving sideways. So up until that point, that's when gold started rallying up. All right, so it rallied up, made this high, and then now the commodity went to make a low. All right, so I want us to draw a trend line in order for us to see what's really going on with gold. So I'm gonna start joining it there. Join it with the first low and this candlestick, which made a significant wick that is sticking out there. All right, and when we align the price to the current price now, this is what we have on gold. Right, so as you can see now, it makes more sense that gold is in an uptrend in the H4 time frame. So what we can do now, because gold also gapped up from this point to this point, we also saw a gap. It's more significant if you open the H1 time frame. You will see that on Friday the market closed down here and now it opened way up here. So how are we gonna trade this is what you're probably thinking right now as you're watching this, and I'm here to say, worry not, my fellow traders. This is what we're gonna do. Right, you're gonna go to a trend line so we can have our reversal line and draw it like this. All right, so this is our reversal line right now. So what we're waiting for is to see if gold is gonna go down and break the trend line, which if it does break the trend line, the only signal we'll take to sell is if it goes back up again and goes down again. So we'll only sell at a lower high. All right, that's the cardinal rule of trading this. We'll only sell at a lower high. But instead of going down, if we break the reversal line, the first candlestick to actually close on the right hand side of the reversal line, because it's this candlesticks on the left hand side, it's the line on the right hand side. So if the very first candlestick that closes on the right hand side will be our signal to buy, and we are gonna put the SL. I wanna see if we can find a place where we can put it on the? No, there isn't on the time on the lower time frame. I wanted to see if there's a place where we can have the SL at. So targets will probably the risk will probably cap it somewhere here. Probably kept the risk somewhere here. I'm gonna remove those lines in case they're confusing. We'll probably put the target somewhere here, and as it goes up, we'll have our targets up there, way up there. All right, so that's what's going on with gold. This is a pretty easy chart once you do the analysis and see. Once you do the analysis, it all hits you in the face, and it's really hard to not see what's actually going on here. So this is what I want us to pay attention to. Thank you guys for watching. This is all I have for you guys. I'll see you on the next one.